What's up, you guys? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be another banger because it's part 2 of the amazing mega series I'm bringing to you guys here on the It's J Bunny channel on how to take something from clay to silicone to resin with any custom design that you want. And in today's video, I'm gonna be focusing on how to pour a silicone mold start to finish. And yeah, you guys, it's gonna be a banger. So if you're interested in learning tips and tricks on how to pour your own silicone mold at home, definitely keep watching. If you're already subscribed to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future videos. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead, check out part 1 where I sculpt out of air dry clay what we're using today to pour the silicone over and create the mold. For today's video, I'll be linking every single product that I use down below in the description. So if you're interested in also purchasing any of those products, go ahead and take a look at my shopping list. I make it super convenient for you guys. That's it for the intro. Let's just jump right into the craft. I'm super excited to pour this mold. Let's get started. We have here the final design. I'm going to be creating the border for our silicone pour, and so I want to create a container so that my mold has a square shape. To do that, I'm actually going to use cardboard pieces that I worked on. These are perfectly fine to use. I'm also going to be using some hot glue guns. I also have my refill of mini hot glue sticks. I decided to purchase some heat gloves. That way I don't burn my fingers anymore. I'll be trying out this safety equipment today when using my hot glue gun. Whoa, these are pretty thick, you guys. Also, you'll be needing some scissors. I'm going to take this one piece and I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to take the longer piece and also cut it in half. These are going to be the 4 walls of the mold. I have my hot glue gun here warming up. It's plugged in. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna take my piece of cardboard and I'm just gonna glue the bottom so I can do an initial stick. And yeah, I'm gonna press it down like that. All right, y'all, now I'm going to take the hot glue gun and I'm going to line the outer edge with glue here, sealing it off. We don't want the silicone leaking out when we pour it. And just hold that while the glue dries a little bit. I'm also gonna hot glue here on the inside. This is the final look before we pour our silicone. I've encased it in cardboard and sealed all the crevices. Everything is dry and sturdy. Here is the silicone that we're gonna be using. It's a 2-part silicone. It's the OOMOO, the UMU 25. Here's part A and here's part B. I'm gonna be wearing gloves. Also 3 plastic utensils or stir sticks. You don't want to use wood with the silicone. It can react. Also a measuring cup. You can buy cups prefab online as I've shown you guys in my other videos, but today I wanted a bigger cup. So what I did was I just used my glass measuring cup and I used it to measure out different measurements of water, and then I marked those measurements on the cup so I can have perfect measurements on 50-50 ratio of part A and part B. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to give these packages a stir inside the package because we want them all to be thoroughly mixed. See, it even says here, stir well before using. All right, so I'm gonna have a separate one for each so I don't contaminate the container, and I'm gonna give this a mix. I'm excited, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to pour 1.25 cups. Here we have our part B, and I'm gonna pour equal parts of this, now up to the 2.5 cup line. This one is definitely more liquidy. And now I'm going to mix for 3 minutes. Here we go. And see how you can still see the 2 colors right now? You wanna mix until it's one uniform color. The moment is here. We're going to pour this silicone into this mold and hope that everything comes out amazing. You can see everything is fully incorporated. And yeah, I'm going to start in the corner and I'm going to let it flood out. You want to start at the bottom because this ensures it gets any air pockets. I'm going to take this paintbrush right here and I'm going to push the silicone into these little etched parts because it's such a little fine detail, and I want to make sure that the silicone really gets pressed inside of there. Alright y'all, now I'm going to continue my pour from this corner. Trying to fill in these little spots. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna pour a little bit more. This is it. We're going to let it dry. Get ready. So I'm back, we're ready to demold. It definitely cured perfectly. Everything is shiny and smooth. And yeah, let's see this final result. Whoa! So this little piece will be clipped off right here. Oh my god, it's so freaking perfect. It's giving me vibes. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. All of these little runoffs down here are going to be clipped off with some scissors, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. I think this turned out absolutely freaking amazing. Comment down below your favorite part of the vid, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!